Okay, you can see this is coming here, transmission error coming in, transmission visit workshop. So like that, transmission is coming in, common problem in A class, B class, A200, 169, and the common code is coming. That's the common code coming, is like you can see the lights like this is 793, 722, 0896. This is the 3 common code, but the rest of that 2722, 0841, 0896, that's the reason of that codes coming. So we can fix that your problem in 3 to 4 hours. We are only just doing in London. So if you bring the car, if you Luton, Birmingham, anywhere, you can drive that car and bring the car to us. Car should be ready in 3 to 4 hours, and we give you the warranty on that jobs, and we're gonna do everything, so adaptation, torque setting, everything for you. Only just call me, book the appointment, and give me the 1 day notice, and you can come. And we are open on weekend as well. You can call on this number 07402536382. My name is Terry. You can contact anytime in 24 hours. So you can send a message on WhatsApp, or you can contact through email, or you can call me direct. And if you send me a message, we're gonna call back to you, and your car is gonna be fixed in a just like 1 day job. So come to us. We are in near Heathrow. From Heathrow, near from 4 miles is near Hounslow. So we are basically we are in London. So you have to come, book the appointment, and come. We're gonna do the job. We can repair all type of ECUs, ABS pumps, and DSG gearboxes as well. So thank you.